I luckily encountered these snowy owls on Boundary Dyke in the winter of 2011, and I was so much impressed by their beauty and elegance. The most amazing thing was that you felt they were smiling at you when they faced you. People say they would come back here every 4 years, but I haven't seen them for about 8 years by now. Hope they are doing great wherever they are. These guys like sleeping at daytime, but their eyes glow once open. This little guy was a diva on the day, and its chirps attracted a big crowd. These are some of the lovely birds along the dike.